Welcome to the Palm Beaches TV Now. I'm Theo Dorsey. Today, we're exploring the natural beauty of Palm Beach County, Florida through its gardens. From expansive botanical collections to hidden green spaces tucked throughout the county, these outdoor escapes offer a perfect blend of tranquility, discovery, and South Florida sunshine. Whether you're looking to take a peaceful walk, learn about native and tropical plants, or simply unwind surrounded by nature, the Palm Beaches is bursting with spots worth exploring. We begin at one of the area's most beloved green spaces, Mounts Botanical Garden, where beauty, education, and conservation all come together in a vibrant outdoor setting. As part of Mosaic 2026, which stands for Month of Shows, Art, Ideas, and Culture, Mounts Botanical Garden is offering special discounted admission, making this the perfect time to experience it for yourself. Let's join our friends from Day Tripping in the Palm Beaches for a closer look.
This is our first stop on our day trip today.
Hi, welcome to Mounts Botanical Garden, Palm Beach County's oldest and only botanical garden. We're a 20-acre botanical garden here in Palm Beach County. We're made up of a bunch of different display gardens, and it's just a great place to visit if you have the time.
Do you change out the plant exhibits?
Oh, we do. We do winter annuals here and summer annuals, so the colors are always changing and different trees are blooming with different seasons.
What should people bring with them when they come to the gardens?
Some basic things, sunglasses, a nice wide brim hat, sunscreen, bug spray in the summer months, maybe some snacks, a water bottle. There is no food on the property, so you need to bring your own food. And just give yourself at least an hour or two to take in all the beauty here.
I heard that when you come here, it feels like you've stepped into the Amazon.
Oh yeah, we're a tropical oasis here. We have many tropical plants growing, heliconias, palms, stuff that you could see in the Caribbean or other tropical islands. We also have a nursery in the back where we propagate and grow a lot of the plants you see here on the property. And we also have a vintage thrift store back there too.
What's in there?
Just unique stuff that people donate to us. You never know what kind of treasure you can find in there.
Oh, wow. What's your favorite spot here at Mounts?
My favorite spot here in the garden is the Tropical Shade and Color Island. All these koi fish were rescued from ponds or people's aquariums that they got too big for. So they live out their life here.
How many different species inhabit the butterfly garden?
Many species. We have a lot of nectar plants and host plants that they thrive on. And also visitors like to come here and take photography of the butterflies.
Now that we've enjoyed some serene botanical beauty, let's head on south to a one-of-a-kind community space designed to inspire the next generation. Frank Licari takes us to the Delray Children's Garden, where hands-on learning and the wonders of nature all come to life on this edition of On the Town in the Palm Beaches.
When we were kids during those summer months, our parents would tell us to go outside and play. But these days, many kids spend more time online than outside. Well, there's a spot in Delray that's working to change that one mud pie at a time.
Here at the Delray Beach Children's Garden, kids not only come to learn, they can explore and enjoy nature.
It's an oasis.
It really is.
Tell me about this place.
Well, we opened over 8 years ago. Two amazing women, one a botanist, the other a retired preschool teacher, thought it would be a great idea to start a community garden, but for children.
Yep.
And so we kind of included all these really fun playscapes to get children back outdoors, learn about growing food in our garden, and kind of foster eco-consciousness.
Love it.
These are some basil, some carrots over here taking away, kale.
And you're doing programs here on top of it, because I noticed you have a little thatched classroom here, right?
We do year-round educational programs, from Mommy and Me craft classes to a full-time homeschool and nature school, field trips, birthday parties, and just weekend play for families to get back outside. We have over 17,000 visits per year.
What?
It's incredible.
Good for you guys.
Yeah, we're a busy little community garden. Everybody who comes here just says, we had such a good time. I feel good, whether it's the grandparent, parent, caretaker, child. The hardest part is leaving here. We give kids wagon rides to their car.
It's not like you walk in and go, oh yeah, this is not going to be great. I hate this place. There's nothing to hate about it, right? It's sort
a beautiful green space. It's an eco paradise, and children learn a lot. This gives kids a safe space to play, learn about the environment, and connect with it.
Yeah.
Because it's through that connection that they'll be environmental stewards as adults.
I love that.
One of my favorite quotes is that play is the work of children. So we learn through play. They're not two separate things.
Right.
In some places, 80 toddlers might seem like a lot.
Yeah.
But here, they lead their own exploration and play. They make use of our mud kitchen, our paint wall, our water play station. Many parents have said that this is the least amount of effort for their child to have such a great time.
Today's journey wouldn't be complete without experiencing the global influences that shape these beautiful spaces. From hands-on discovery in Delray, we head to a place where tradition, design, and nature exist in perfect harmony. On this edition of Travels and Traditions, Bert Wolf takes us to the Morikami Museum and Japanese Gardens, where the gardens tell a story rooted in culture, history, and timeless beauty.
The Japanese gardens were designed to complement the museum. The 6 gardens were inspired by famous garden styles throughout Japanese history.
The Morikami Museum and Japanese Gardens is first and foremost a museum, but we're fortunate that in 1999 we were able to break ground on 6 distinct period Japanese gardens. So those are elements that are living exhibitions within the museum. And when someone comes here, they have an opportunity not only to learn a little bit about our history, but also be able to visit exhibitions both in our original museum as well as our main museum, in addition to the 6 distinct period Japanese gardens as well. Our Japanese style entertains very specific elements. You will come to see our waterfalls, our rock configurations. You will come to see our bamboo.
From lush botanical escapes and hands-on community gardens to timeless designs rooted in culture and tradition, you'll discover unique ways to connect with nature right here in Palm Beach County, Florida. And remember, you can stream full episodes of the segments you saw today on the palmbeaches.tv by clicking the description below. I'm Theo Dorsey. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Palm Beaches TV Now.